4-hour strategy. I've just seen this 10 o'clock candle open. It's come all the way down to 0.5 and double wicked. Okay, this area here, this doesn't quite touch 0.5. This is double wicked. As soon as this candle closed and the next one candle went below 0.5 and turned green, I entered. Okay, so slightly early, but we're going to let this trade play out. We're going to put our stop loss below the candle we entered, so 125, and our take profit we can put here, or we can put it here. Okay, we'll assess what happens at 0, 0. But you know what? To manage risk, it's a 1 to 10 risk to reward trade. So we're going to put our stop loss right here. I'm going to put this slightly lower because I don't want it to sweep that low and get pulled out. As soon as this goes past this candle, I will then move the stop loss to entry. There's a double bottom. Maybe I should have entered on this candle. Maybe slightly early on the entry. But the signs are good. We are bouncing off 0.5. We're not building below. And this should continue to go higher. What you have to observe right now is that the nearest liquidity above is at 988 on the 4-hour, and on the 1-hour chart the nearest liquidity point is probably 967. That is the next high. So this wants to go higher. That's where it's trying to get to, and because that seems quite a far way away, this is why this is probably stumbling. There's not the liquidity from this morning has been taken out. London high's gone. We've got this New York high, which this could end up going to, but we'll see how this trade plays out. Okay, now I'm going to move my stop to entry. Notice how that fair value gap, the bounce, didn't close lower. So that gives us more confidence that this should break through and give us at least our 10 points. You can't see how much money I'm up because this is in the way, but it's at 550. Put this at 250 so we can at least bank 5 points. We can move this now to 500. So 5 points secured no matter what. Well, I'm going to move this away because we'll leave it at 250 because I know this is going to zero. But if you wanted to, you could have just left that at 500 and collected your 5 points. But be strict with your target, guys. If your target is here, let the trade play out. Move this into profit. See how the trade works out. We get too caught up in changing our targets. Just let the trade play out. Get to your target. If it doesn't break even trade, it doesn't matter. Okay? You see, a lot of people here would have probably closed the trade because that opening candle closed green. Sorry, closed bearish. But you have to understand that the stock market's not just going to go up in one straight green candle after green candle after green candle. It may do at 9:30 because that's the highest volume, but later on in the day, there's going to be people taking their profits. There's going to be some people that might think, I'm going to take some bearish positions here, etc., etc. And there you go. The trade hit. Perfect.